Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Era online classes. Let's go with some geometrical ideas. So what is the first one is a line. What is this a line? A line is a line segment that extends on both the sides is called a line. It has a no endpoints and it is now denoted by the symbols. Here this is example for a line. So this line you can extend in both of the side. If the both side, if it is has a arrow mark, that is called as a line. So if you cut the part from the line, that is called as a line segment. So here is the length of line segment can be measured and it has a end points. So next go with the ray. What is ray? A line segment that extend only the one side is called a ray. It has a only one endpoint and its other endpoint can be extended infinitely. Here AB, it is a ray, A has its endpoint. This is called as a ray. So now AB is a ray. If you extended only the one side, here is a fixed point and B, it is not fixed point and it is not an end point, you can extend. Then now BA, it is not a array. Okay, so this is all about the some basic geometrical ideas. So the next one is the another one concept, that is a line segment. What is the line segment? Line segment, it has two endpoints and you can it has a two endpoints. It is a part of the line. When we take the 2 points and join them using the scale, we get a line segment. Here the line segment, it is represent above the AB. If it is a one line segment symbol, that is called as a line segment. Line segment, AB also correct and B also correct. Okay. So now this is ray and this is line segment. It is all about some basic concepts. Let's go with some lines. The first one is intersecting lines. What is intersecting lines? The lines that cross each other called intersecting lines. Just you see here. So there are many ways you can see. AB is a one way and CD is another one way. When two or more lines cross each other at the common point, they are called as intersecting lines. These example for intersecting lines. The common point, where they meet, is called as a point of intersection. This is all example for a intersecting lines. The intersecting lines from the angles at the point of intersection in the given figure here. Now these two are intersect. Okay, these are the example for intersecting lines. Let's see with the example. Next one is perpendicular lines. What is a perpendicular lines? Two lines are said to be perpendicular if they meet or intersect at the right angles, and that is angle formed by the two lines is 90 degree exactly. Those are perpendicular lines. The symbol of perpendicular is EF is perpendicular to the XY. AB is perpendicular to the CD. This is a symbol. These are all the example for the perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, the two lines are said to be a perpendicular if they meet and intersect at the right angle to form a 90 degree exactly. Those are perpendicular lines. This is example for the intersecting lines. The next go with the another one, the important parallel lines. This is figure is example for parallel lines. You must have seen the railway tracks, right? The two lines of the track never meet each other. So, say the tracks run parallel to the each other. How we can tell the pair of the lines is parallel? If you extended those lines are never meet at the any one point and they are at the equal distance from each other. The symbol of parallel is the two parallel lines. Okay, so just you see this figure. In this figure, the line, the above line is AB, below line is CD. AB is perpendicular to the CD. Parallel lines may be a vertical or may be horizontal or slanting lines. Okay, rays and line segments can also be a parallel to each other, but only the one condition for the parallel lines, when you extended those two lines, they never meet at the any one point. Those are parallel lines. Here GH is parallel to the KL. This is about this.